Something big is coming from Apple, and it's not an iPhone, not a Mac, but something that might completely redefine how we experience entertainment at home. The upcoming Apple TV 2025 is rumored to be Apple's boldest upgrade yet, and it's not just about streaming anymore. If you thought the last Apple TV 4K was powerful, wait until you hear what Apple is building next. This might just be the smartest, fastest, and most connected home device Apple has ever made. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we explore the latest tech before it even hits the market. If you love discovering future gadgets that change the game, you're in the right place. So let's talk about the new Apple TV 2025. The leaks and insider reports are painting an exciting picture. Apple seems ready to transform the Apple TV from a simple streaming box into something much bigger, a true entertainment and smart home hub powered by next generation, Apple Silicon and AI. This isn't just another yearly refresh. It's a major shift in Apple's vision for the living room. The first thing that's getting a lot of attention is the new chip. Apple is reportedly equipping the 2025 model with the A17 Pro, or a custom variant of the M2 chip, the same powerful silicon found in recent Macs. That means faster loading, console-level gaming, and smoother multitasking. Apple has been slowly building Apple Arcade into something more ambitious, and this could be the turning point. Imagine playing high-end games with near-zero lag, detailed textures, and the kind of performance you'd expect from a console. All from a small, silent device that fits in the palm of your hand. But performance isn't everything. Apple is going all in on intelligence this year. The 2025 Apple TV will reportedly use on-device AI to completely personalize your experience. It's not just going to recommend shows. It'll understand your preferences over time, adapt to your mood, and adjust visuals and audio automatically. Imagine sitting down after a long day saying, "Hey Siri, I need to relax," and your TV instantly dims the lights, launches a soothing playlist, and plays a peaceful documentary or your favorite series. That's the level of smart Apple is aiming for. Apple's new tvOS update is also rumored to be one of the biggest redesigns in years. The new interface could feature AI-driven recommendations, new widgets, and quick access to Apple Music, Fitness Plus, and even HomeKit controls, all within one clean and elegant screen. The goal seems to be clear. Make Apple TV not just for streaming, but the center of your digital home. Now, let's talk design. Apple doesn't often change the look of its TV box, but this time, the 2025 model might come in a completely new form. Multiple reports suggest a thinner, more premium aluminum enclosure, possibly with ventilation cutouts similar to the Mac Mini. The finish might come in darker tones, space black or titanium gray, to match the latest iPhone and Mac lineup. It's minimal, beautiful, and feels unmistakably Apple. The remote, though, is getting the biggest physical change. The new Siri remote is rumored to include a small, touch-sensitive panel with haptic feedback, giving you a smoother, more responsive way to navigate. Apple might also integrate the Find My feature this time, meaning if your remote slips into the couch, you can just ping it from your iPhone. Some insiders even suggest we might see built-in motion sensors, opening the door for simple gaming gestures. It's the kind of small innovation that makes a huge difference in daily use. Of course, visuals are where Apple wants to push the limits again. Apple TV 2025 could be the first from Apple to support native 8K output. Yes, real 8K playback with Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Even though 8K content is still rare, Apple loves future-proofing its devices. The goal isn't just sharper pixels, it's creating a more lifelike, cinematic experience. Combined with Apple's advanced upscaling engine, even regular 4K content could look dramatically better with richer detail, deeper blacks, and smoother motion. But that's not all. Apple is reportedly developing an advanced video processing feature that automatically optimizes your TV's display settings based on the content you're watching. No more messing around with brightness, contrast, or motion settings. Whether it's a dark thriller or a bright sports event, Apple TV could handle all of it intelligently. Audio is another big focus. The new model is expected to support improved Dolby Atmos with precision-tuned sound calibration. That means better sound direction, more clarity, and more realism. And when paired with a HomePod or even AirPods Max, you'll get adaptive spatial audio that adjusts based on your room layout and your position. Apple wants every corner of your living room to feel like a personal theater. Now here's where it gets really exciting. Rumors point to Apple working on a hybrid model that combines an Apple TV and HomePod in one unit. Imagine a compact smart speaker that also acts as a streaming hub. It would have a built-in high-fidelity speaker, an Apple-designed audio engine, and full Siri integration. This could become the all-in-one centerpiece of your home, perfect for music, streaming, and controlling your smart devices. Apple is also rumored to be improving how the Apple TV connects with Vision Pro. With the 2025 model, you could stream 3D or mixed reality content directly to your Vision headset, creating immersive virtual theaters. Imagine watching a movie on a 100-foot virtual screen right from your living room. The integration will likely go both ways, allowing Vision Pro users to control or stream content from the Apple TV seamlessly. And yes, AI will be at the heart of all of this. Apple's new generative AI system might debut across multiple devices next year, and Apple TV 2025 could take full advantage. You could talk to Siri naturally, but no more robotic commands. Ask things like, "What should I watch with my kids tonight?" Or, "Show me something funny from Apple Originals," and Siri could respond with dynamic, natural recommendations. It might even adjust playback based on who's watching, using profiles linked to your Apple ID or Face ID. Apple is also working on multi-camera FaceTime support for Apple TV, which will use your iPhone or iPad's camera wirelessly, so you can hold family video calls on the big screen or even share a watch session with friends remotely. It's convenient, practical, and designed to make Apple's ecosystem more connected than ever. In terms of connectivity, Apple TV 2025 is expected to feature Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for faster speeds and lower latency. Streaming, gaming, and AirPlay performance will all feel snappier. Some reports also mention the inclusion of USB-C for faster data transfer and future accessory compatibility. It's a small change that opens big possibilities for developers and creators. Price-wise, Apple might surprise us. The new Apple TV could start around $149 for the standard version, with a higher-end model, possibly the hybrid speaker edition, sitting around $249. Given Apple's recent pricing trends, this sounds realistic and for what it's offering. It could be one of Apple's best value products yet. What's clear is that Apple isn't just upgrading specs this time. They're building something that connects your entertainment, your smart home, and your AI assistant into one seamless system. The 2025 Apple TV could become the heartbeat of your living room, tying everything together in the Apple ecosystem like never before. And that's what makes this device so exciting. It's not just a streamer. It's a signal that Apple is ready to own your entire home experience, from visuals and sound to control and comfort. The line between a streaming box and a smart hub is about to disappear. So, what do you think? Is Apple finally building the all-in-one home device we've been waiting for? Or do you think the market still isn't ready for something this advanced? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest Apple leaks and tech updates, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to TapTech. We've got more exciting reveals coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future of entertainment might just start with the next Apple TV.